Okay, now I'm going to go through the process of installing nuBuilder Forte on bluehost.com. So the first thing we're going to do is sign up. Probably something I don't really have to run through. Just follow your nose. I'm going to create a domain here called nuBuilder, and it's going to be nuBuilder.online. Alright, so there we've created nuBuilder.online. Some fairly standard questions to start an account here. If we scroll down here, you can see different extra packages that you can tick or untick to change the cost. We're just going to pick a 24-month plan and take all these bits off. So you put in your credit card information, or you put your PayPal information in. Now you scroll down and lie about having read the service agreement. Okay, so there we go. The account's ready to go. Alright, so we've logged in. Now Bluehost just tries to get a bit of an idea of what you're going to use the website for, and I found it installed WordPress, what I thought was automatically done. I didn't necessarily want WordPress, but that's okay, I can still uninstall it. Alright, so now we get in to setting it up on the web. Alright, so I'm going to call this installing nuBuilder online. So that's how you access it. It'll be installing.nubuilder.online. Alright, so here you can see that we've got one created there. See where the root directory is for that and where we need to put stuff later. Okay, so now we're going to add a database. So we go to the advanced tab on the left hand side, pick file manager, pick MySQL databases. We're just going to put a 4 on this. So we just create a database called nubuilder_4. Alright, so that creates the database, and there we go, that's done. So we can go back. And now we'll go and add a user. As you can see, nuBuilder 4 there doesn't have any privileged users, so we need to create one. So we keep scrolling down, here we go. So I'm going to make this a 4 as well, so the username is going to be the same as the database. And 12345 is the password I've used there, because it was the minimum number of characters I think you could use. Now we've created a database and we've created our user. Now we've just got to join our user to the database. So we'll pick Beautiful, same thing there. Alright, so now when we go back into our databases, oh hang on, we've got to set the privileges for this new user. So we'll let that user do everything. Okay, now we've got this privileged user here. We can use it with the database. Alright, so the next thing is we'll go back to our Advanced tab. We'll pick File Manager and we'll go and add the nuBuilder files. Now Bluehost has got a pretty nice way of doing this. Now you see there's a tab called Installing there. I can't remember creating that myself. So it must have been created when we created the subdomain. So we really want to put all our nuBuilder files in a directory called Installing. So first of all we're going to drop this in here and watch it upload. Paused it there while it was taking its time. Right, so now we've got this here. So if we right click on that, we can extract it, and it does it pretty quickly. And now what we need to do is get rid of installing. So first I'll copy that word. Okay, I'm going to delete that directory and rename it. Rename this one to installing. Okay, so we've got zip file there that doesn't have to be there anymore, so we'll delete that. Test doesn't have to be there, so we can delete that. And now we just got one subdirectory for our subdomain. Alright, so didn't mean to open that one. I meant to open this one. Alright, so it's only the top 4 things that we can change there. The host, the name, well actually we're not even changing the host. The host stays as localhost. Okay, so the database name, the user for the database, and the password for the database. So now, if I went to installing.nubuilder.online, there we go. All up and working. Beautiful.